Hello everybody, this is Yummy Shanny. Welcome to my yummy planet. Guess where I am? It's clearly a warm city, right? Yes, I'm in Guangzhou, the capital of Guangdong province, southern China, enjoying the festival atmosphere of the coming Chinese New Year. Why I'm here? Because I heard that there is a double-decker bus where you can eat meal and afternoon tea on it. What does it look like? And let's explore it together. Let's go. Look, that is the food bus. And I have already bought a ticket for 148 RMB, which includes a meal and a 1-hour tour passing by 12 famous Guangzhou sites. Wow, very looking forward to it. Let's go. Wow, is this the bus? I think it's a dim sum restaurant. Guangzhou, it's very cool. And we can see we have a lot of tea here. Oh, it's warm. Let's go upstairs and my table is there. Let's go. Wow, ta-da! It's my table in the front of the bus and have the best view. Wow, the dim sum is coming. 谢谢. Wow. On the double-decker bus, there are 3 layers of dim sum. The first layers are dumplings, savory, with savory flavor, and the second layer are the sweet ones. Whoa! And the third, it's just like a bland box. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! It's cookies and cakes. Looks very nice. Looks very good. I can't wait to taste them.
These dim sum items were freshly steamed or fried at the partner restaurant just before the bus set off. Each one is truly fresh and absolutely delicious. I've tried them for you, and trust me, they're definitely not pre-made.
It's a Guangzhou Tower. Wow!
This bus cruises at a steady 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, giving you a smooth ride that's perfect for enjoying a meal without worrying about motion sickness. I've tested it. Over the course of an hour, you take in iconic sites like the Guangzhou Bridge, the landmark Canton Tower, the historic Zhicun Pagoda, and the vibrant Twin Towers in the heart of Guangzhou CBD. The ride also takes you past the artistic charm of Xinhai Concert Hall and the Guangzhou Museum of Art. Great food, stunning city views. What a great journey!
The Chinese Spring Festival is just around the corner. I'm Yummy Shanny here in Guangzhou to share the unique festival atmosphere with you. And this is Yuntai Garden. This is a very famous spot for enjoying beautiful flowers. And today, let's explore the New Year's scenery together. Guangzhou is in southern China, so the weather here is super warm. Even in winter, the weather feels like spring, with flowers blooming everywhere. The local people here love flowers. The flowers are used to decorate homes, as gifts for friends and family, and even in dishes, they add flowers to reach the flavors.
Guangzhou also has a famous tradition called visiting flower markets, which is a must-do activity for New Year's Eve here. Everyone goes to the flower markets before the new year to buy flowers and stroll through the flower streets. People believe that visiting flower markets brings good luck. They usually buy lucky flowers and items, hoping for good fortune and everything goes well in the coming year. It begins on the 28th day of the 12th month of the lunar calendar and lasts until the early hours of the first day of the Lunar New Year.
As the night falls, where should we eat for dinner? So come with me to the night market. Let's go!您这牛杂怎么卖的？
你看每个上面都有品种和价格，美女可以自己挑的。
感觉像自助餐似的。
差不多。
要一个这个，然后谢谢，好香啊！这一碗，这个面筋已经吸满了汤汁儿，旁边是牛筋儿。Q 弹弹的，好吃。
Zhicun Night Market is located in Panyu District, Guangzhou. Super easy to get to. It's one of the city's most popular night markets, offering not only local Cantonese treats, but also snacks from various parts of China. There's so much to try, everything is super affordable, and it's a must-visit spot if you're traveling to Guangzhou.
If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. I'm Yummy Shanny. This is my Yummy Planet. I wish you all the best in the year of a snake and happy Chinese New Year. See you next time. Bye bye.